Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use DataNumen Exchange Recovery to convert OST to PST files. Now, when disaster occurs on a Microsoft Exchange server, such as server crashes, server database corruption, etc., the Exchange offline folder or OST files on the client computer can still contain the messages and all other items of your Exchange Mail account. You can use DataNumen Exchange Recovery to convert the OST files to PST files so that the data inside of the files can be accessed in Microsoft Outlook. Moreover, when you encounter various errors and problems with OST files, such as data corruption, synchronization errors, deleting emails by mistake, oversized 2 GB OST file problems, etc., you can always use DataNumen Exchange Recovery to recover the data from the OST files and convert them into PST format. Now, before you begin, one important thing to note is that before converting the OST file with DataNumen Exchange Recovery, you will want to close Microsoft Outlook and any other applications that may access or modify the OST file. Now, to begin, let's start DataNumen Exchange Recovery. Once DataNumen Exchange Recovery is open, you will want to select the OST file to be converted. You can input the file name directly into this field, or click the button on the right to browse and select the file. You can also click the button on the far right to find the OST file to be converted on the local computer. Next, if you know the Outlook version of the source OST file to be repaired, then you can specify it in the combo box beside the source file edit box. If you leave the format as auto-determined, then DataNumen Exchange Recovery will scan the source OST file to determine its format automatically. However, this will take additional time. Next, you will want to set the output file. By default, DataNumen Exchange Recovery will save a new file with the word recovered added onto the end. In our example here, our source file is named outlook.ost, and our recovered file will be named outlookrecovered.pst. If you want to use another name, then you can change it in this field directly, or click the button on the right to browse and select the converted file. After that, we can select the format of the converted PST file in the combo box beside the converted file edit box. If you leave the format to auto-determined, then DataNumen Exchange Recovery will generate the converted PST file compatible with the Outlook version installed on the local computer. Next, to begin the recovery, you can click the Start Recovery button, and DataNumen Exchange Recovery will start converting from the source OST file to a new PST file. The progress bar here will indicate the conversion progress. After the conversion process, if any data can be converted successfully, you should see a message that says the items in the file have been converted successfully. And finally, we can now open the converted PST file with Microsoft Outlook to see the converted objects. Please note that DataNumen Exchange Recovery will try to put the converted objects in their original folders. However, the lost and found objects, once recovered, are put in these recovered group folders. And that's it. If you've been following along, congratulations. You just converted your first Outlook OST file to a PST file with DataNumen Exchange Recovery. If you would like more information, make sure to go to datanumen.com/exchange-recovery.